Here comes the old water heater, in with the new, out with the old. Dad is carrying it down the stairs, slowly. Almost there. 2 more steps left to go. Oh, here it comes. Yes, and he's got it. By God, he's got it.
I don't know what to say. I just think it's a miracle. I just don't know what to say other than that. But I think it's a miracle that it finally came down.
I am proud that someone in the United States of America, my country, could have accomplished such a thing as this, to bring a water heater all the way downstairs. As I sit here fighting with other nations and cutting down trees for oil, one man in my country has carried a water heater down a set of stairs, and I am proud of my country. Thank you. Make every moment a Fujifilm moment.
I love